Alright, mga 1:30 na video, okay. Dasal gawa sa magsaysay. But, there's one thing left to do. To wait until 5. Allow us as John will be pleased. We'll sing. But if everyone doesn't join until 6 p.m. Tatiyak makanta. I will make my 41st video kumauton weekends. This is special. Ang 41st video kumauton sa Woman Around. I'll make this a 41st. So kung wala, ipa-special na lang ako. Kung I will make my video kumauton weekend. Ito na video kipang makanta. My songs will be outdated. Basta na naman na akong makuha naman na akong pantono ho 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 ho. So pag-ibig ay kanibalismo to. Nadiwi na sa imo na demonyo naman ang story. Spita Karma. Talk about the demonic story. Ugo. Naman makadto sa sikihon. Ho 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 ho. Yeah, one of my songs Left Behind pa makanta ako. Okay. 6:30. About ini 6 ang video, okay? Okay, wala. Ang video okay until 6. Start yak makanta Positive Boy. Look, one of my songs like 5 are not done. So yeah, if that happens to be one of that video came out on the masuspend na sa ho 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 ho. Okay, busog ak lugod. Yeah, let's wait na. Maybe I have to sleep mga 2. And we're done. At 2 p.m. makatulog. And I will wake up at 6. We're done. It's Sunday silence. Oh my god, Sunday silence. Wait naman. Ano mga sabi.